In linguistics, the Philippine languages are a 1991 proposal by Robert Blust that all the languages of the Philippines and northern Sulawesi except Samar Bajaw and a few languages of Palawan form a subfamily of Austronesian languages. Although the Philippines is near the center of Austronesian expansion from Formosa, there is little linguistic diversity among the approximately 150 Philippine languages, suggesting that earlier diversity has been erased by the spread of the ancestor of the modern Philippine languages. Philippine languages make up the oldest non-Formosan languages of the Austronesian language family, with several languages preserving the proto-Austronesian schwa and Bajaw or assonance lost in the Sunda Sulawesi languages. Classification: from approximately north to south, Adela and Himmelmann divide the Philippine languages into the following groups: Northern Philippine languages, Botanic languages, Northern Luzon languages, Central Luzon languages, Northern Mindoro languages. Greater Central Philippine languages, Southern Mindoro languages, Central Philippine languages, Palawan languages, Mindanao languages, Gorontalo-Mgonda languages. Calamian languages, South Mindanao languages, Sanjiric languages, Manayasan languages. In addition, the Umaray-Dumajet, Munite and Inagti-Alabat languages are unclassified within the Philippine family. Vocabulary comparison: comparison chart between several selected Philippine languages spoken from north to south with proto-Austronesian first for comparison. Philippine Negrito languages: the Negrito peoples of the Philippines speak various languages. They have more in common with neighboring languages than with each other, and are listed here merely as an aid to identification. Lobel Lobel lists the following Black Filipino ethno-linguistic groups. Northern Luzon, Umaray-Dumajet, Remontado-Dumagat, Alta, Northern, Alta, Southern, Ata, Kashajiran-Agta, Ngtipunan-Agta, Dinapig-Agta, Central Cagayan-Agta, Bahanan, Dupaningan-Agta, Ata. Lobel lists the following Negrito languages that are spoken on the eastern coast of Luzon Island, listed from north to south. Dupaningan-Agta, Bahanan-Agta, Kashajiran-Agta, Umaray-Dumajet, Remontado-Dumagat, Inagti-Alabat, Munide, Inagta-Partido, Inagta-Rinconada. Furthermore, Robinson and Lobel argue that Dupaningan-Agta, Bahanan-Agta, Kashajiran-Agta, Ngtipunan-Agta, Dinapig-Agta, and Paranan do not belong to the Northern Cordilleran branch, but rather a new branch that they call Northeastern Luzon, which they consider to be a primary branch of the Northern Luzon group. Zambales Mountains, Eta Magindi, Eta Magangkay, Eta Abalan, Eta Umbala, Eta Batalan, Southern Luzon, Inagta Rinconada, Inagta Partido, Munide, Inagta Alabat, Southern Philippines, Inata, Inati, Mamanwa, Batak, Irea, Ata Matagzalug Manobo, extinct varieties, Mount Irea Acta, Inagta Alabat, Dicame Acta, spoken on the Dicame River on the western side of the Sierra Madre near Jones, Isabela. Reportedly exterminated by Ilocano homesteaders sometime between 1957 and 1974, Villa Viciosa Acta. Read lists the following Negrito languages. North Acta, Northern Cagayan, Central Cagayan, Eastern Cagayan, Southern Cagayan, Southern Isabela, Aurora. Ata, 12 remaining speakers in Aglipay, Quirino, in 1990, Alta, North Alta, spoken in Aurora Province, South Alta, spoken in Nueva Ecija and Bulacan provinces. Central Acta, spoken in Eastern Luzon. Includes Umaray, South Acta, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur. Sonona, Eta, 6 different languages spoken in the Zambales Mountains according to Wimbel, Abalan, Aberlan, Magangkay, Magindi, Umbala, Magkanata. Other Philippine Negrito languages: Ata Manobo, spoken in Manzalanay, Davao, Batak, spoken in Palawan, Inati, Mamanwa, spoken in Egusan. Ethnologue adds extinct and unclassified Catabaga of southern Luzon. See also, Filipino orthography, Filipino alphabet, Abacada alphabet, Filipino language, Comisión sa Wikang Filipino, Philippine literature, Languages of the Philippines, Visayan Academy of Arts and Letters. References: Fay Wauk and Malcolm Ross, The History and Typology of Western Austronesian Voice Systems. Australian National University, 2002. K. Alexander Adler and Nikolaus Himmelmann, The Austronesian Languages of Asia and Madagascar. Routledge, 2005. Austronesian Basic Vocabulary Database, 2008. External links: Comparative Vocabularies of Philippine and Other Austronesian Languages.